Welcome to Grandad's Forge. Today, the Furnunckkulator. Yeah, this is an idea that I pretty much stole from John Switzer. He inspired this. I also made this was my first thing, and then I realized I needed a proper workstation to go with this. So we came up with this Furnunckulator, named by James Duncan of Doughnut Forge, and it makes working at the vise with fire at your fingertips very easy. And the fun part about this, turn it on easy, put it in the rack, or put it in the rack this way, or use it. And when you don't need it, shuts off, saves the fuel. Pretty cool. And you can either use this and leave it running, which doesn't use that much acetylene or propane, or you can light it with this every single time. That's pretty much it. And for a closer look, I have these tunnels built here, protective tunnel. These lids pop off easy. They are protecting the hoses and fittings from any wild sparks that fly around during grinding or torching. And then the base itself is real sturdy, but one thing I recommend for any kind of stand, vise stand, is bolt it to the floor. Yeah. And basically it was materials on hand. That's why it's designed the way it is. It's what I had to work with. And well, you know me. If you funk it, you gotta make it. Thanks.